Yes, it's a lovely, beautiful day.
Yes, yes.
There's my hero. 73 yesterday. Didn't have much of a birthday because I crashed. But that's okay. And the lake, all the water is nice and pretty because there's nobody out. Yeah, it's nice.
You can walk that way a little bit.
Yeah, we'll walk that way a little bit. But I just wanted to get down to the water because I can't get too close to the water.
You want to get close? You want me to shoot you in?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
No, I'm busy tomorrow.
You're busy tomorrow. I'll make an appointment Thursday.
I'll check my schedule.
Okay, you do that.
Well, look at that. You can see right through.
Yeah, because it's clean.
Yeah,
It's not often like this.
that's clean
Let's
water.
face it, it's not very often like it. I don't know if it shows. Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, that's clean, crystal clear water. You don't see that very often. Isn't that pretty? Yes, it's beautiful.
You got it going?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a couple of ducks there.
Well, those are Canada geese, the ones that do all that pooping. Could you
yeah.
put my glove on for me? My fingers are cold. Yeah, okay. There. There's some cars. People are out walking on the other trail.
The Moonlight Trail.
Yeah, the Laurentian Trail. But it's too narrow. Ooh, look at all the poop. See, what did I tell you?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, they poop so much, those geese. Terrible. Okay, we'll just try to get a little shot there. Here. Yeah, they got the